Are you facing the black screen while you log in or on your system? So this video is for you. I will show you how to quickly fix this issue. First of all, you need to press Ctrl Alt and Delete button on your system to open the task manager, or you can press Ctrl Shift and Escape key on Windows 11. Now as you can see, it is still not working in my Windows. Now it's what you need to do is you just need to restart your Windows Explorer. Press W on your keyboard, right click on Windows Explorer and simply restart it. And it will instantly fix your issue. If your issue is still not resolved, as you can see, my issue has not been resolved with the help of this step. What we can do is we can close this and again open the task manager, Control Shift and Escape key together. And once you see this screen, you need to look for your utilization. Which softwares are you using most of the hardware resources from your Windows? You need to check that software and kill that software simply. Go to the high utilization tab, open it and simply end the task. But in my case, it is not showing up here. Then we can click on run new task here. And once you see this, you need to tick the box and you need to type here the command shutdown space /r space /t space 0, and we are going to gently restart our Windows. Simply click on OK. And once you click on OK, your system will be rebooted and your issue will be fixed.